What's going on, Amazon? We just got in the mail the Presto. This is the slow cooker. It's an incredible, incredible product. It's actually for my mother-in-law. And so what I wanted to do was I wanted to open this bad boy up. She gave me permission. And so we're gonna do a little bit of an unboxing here. Guys, if y'all are on the fence about this product, seriously, don't be. From all the reviews, everything that I've seen, and just from my mother-in-law telling us all about it, she is so amped about this product. So I figured, what better way than to do a little bit of a deep dive, talk about why she added it to her cart and why I think you guys should as well. So number one, you get the ability to have this thing on a slow cooking machine. It's absolutely incredible. So once I get all this out of the way, I want to show you exactly what this thing comes with. So on the front, as you guys can see, you've got off, you've got warm, you've got low, and you've got high, right? So this is really a slow, like a pressure cooker, a slow cooker, just anything that you would normally need, this is what you're gonna have, right? So you can keep this thing warm. And y'all, what's awesome about this is that you're able to travel with this thing, which is just like, I don't even understand how that fully works. So again, I don't want to do a lot of unboxing because I want my mother-in-law to be able to use this. So obviously you've got directions over here. But as you guys can see, and hopefully you guys can check this out. Oh, great. Well, everything comes off, makes it super easy. We're able to then lock it back in. This is nice. But then this is where the actual, what you can put into this. So you got, maybe, I think it said it was 8 quarts or something like that. So gives you a good bit to see. Here, I'll try to, let me take this off now that I know that I can. And I'll hold this up just so you guys can get a grid for how much you can fit in there. So it's not gonna be a huge pressure cooker, but the nice thing about it is you've got the handle to carry it around. It makes it portable. You can keep it all together. And then what's really nice and sleek is that on the back, that's where you've got your power, right? So it's kind of tucked in real nice. You could just keep everything all together and you can pull it out, push it back in once it's all done. So it makes it really easy to store your power. As you can see right here, you just got a nice little power cable that you can then pull out, and then whenever you're done, you just kind of tuck it back in, and it's got nice length there. So that's really great, and then you just pop it in right here underneath, and it just stores on the back. So again, overall, definitely really happy with this product. I think it's gonna work really great. I've also got the ability to write on this, so you can actually write what it is. So right here, this is just like a dry erase, so you can write. And then once you're done, you can erase it, which is really cool. Kind of a fun little feature. Makes it really great for like game days and different things like that. So again, I'm gonna throw this back on here where it's all set back up for my mother-in-law. But like I said, y'all, definitely recommend giving this thing a shot. Also kind of love the Green Bay Packer yellow and green. So for all my Green Bay fans, this will work great for you. So shout out to Green Bay. You might as well just give this thing a shot. But overall, this thing is really great. It's not that heavy either, but this handle feels really durable. It's not going anywhere, which is really great. So again, give this thing a shot, add it to your cart. I think you're gonna be really happy with this. Overall, it's gonna be really everything that it needs. It's a slow cooker that you can travel with. It's perfect, makes it really simple, easy, on the go. You just throw your stuff in, keep it warm, and then when you're traveling, you could just bring this whole thing with you and then plug it right back in, and you're right back to warming it up or getting it to high or cooking it on low heat. So definitely recommend this product. Give it a try. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Have a great day with your Amazon shopping, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.